Hey, hi guys. Say hi, Oscar.
Hi.
So guys, we are just now started from my place. Bhaskar has come from Chandapura. I stay in Jigni. So we are going to Tirupati. Two more colleagues we need to pick. First we'll go to Anjanapura, that is near to Banagatta Road. We'll pick up our dear friend Hari from there. Then we'll go to pick up our most dear friend, that is Mr. Manikandan. And further updates, definitely stay tuned guys. We'll pick Hari and we'll tell you guys which route which we'll follow, and all this travel plan and trip plan we'll share with you. Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Hi guys. See,
Hi.
Mr. Hariharan joined, and as a manager he deserved only the first class seat. So Bhaskar moved to back and Mr. Hariharan occupied the first seat. So let's go and meet Mr. Manikandan. See you. Stay tuned. Hey guys. So all passenger boarded. We picked up Mani sir. Mani sir, say hi.
Hi.
So tell me which area this one? Horamabu.
This is Hormau.
Horamabu. Okay. So now time is 2:15. We will now start. We'll have some tea in the midway. Correct.
Yes.
That is Mani sir, your duty
Yeah.
to provide us a very good tea actually.
Sure.
Then we'll start, and wherever we'll stop, then we'll start making video. Okay. Stay tuned guys. Bye.
Love you. Bye.
Hey friends, this is my very first vlog and I'm super excited to share it with you all. Hope you enjoy watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun stuff. Keep watching. Bye bye.
Guys, we came approximately 80 km now, and we already crossed Hoskote, I think 20 minutes back. We are heading to Kolar. After that, I think we'll go to Chittur. Chittur will take bypass, and then we'll go to Tirupati.
Yes.
But initially we'll go to Srikalahasti temple, right?
Yes.
First. After that, while returning, we'll go to Tirupati. We'll stay there. Then we'll go to Tirumala next day.
Yes.
Means
prior to that, Sharif bhai ka chapati or idli.
okay, this fun will continue guys. Stay tuned. We'll give you more update.
Stay tuned. Raja ka.
It's now already morning. Which temple just now we did the darshan, Bhaskar? Kanipakam. Okay. So there mobiles are not allowed. That is why we could not shoot there. And we did a very good darshan early morning there. And we are now heading to Srikalahasti. And the time is now 7:30. And the map is showing that we'll be reaching around by 9 o'clock, which is around 80 km from here.
Yes.
Okay. Okay guys, stay tuned.
Cheers.
This is our car, and here we have stopped at A2B for our breakfast. Mani, Hari and Bhaskar is already there. So let me see what are the things we can order. This is just near to the Bangalore Tirupati highway.
What you will have?
What you order? Dosa.
तुम आया नहीं अभी तक कुछ बोलो ना. पूरी मसाला, इडली, वड़ा, चटनी, डोसा.
So this is here the puri and sabji, and also we have ordered idli.
చూసుకోరా.
Sir, how is the taste? Super.
Food is always good.
Food is always good. How is the taste, Bhaskar?
Nice. Chutney is good.
Chutney is good, no? So the position has been occupied by now Mr. Bhaskar S. You can see He's now handling the pilot seat, and Mr. Hariharan is already into the first class seat. And I have moved back to back
With the cooling glass.
with cooling glass. We had a very wonderful breakfast over A2B. The pongal was excellent, as feedback given by Mr. Bhaskar. Puri also very good. Mani sir, how was the food? Super
Super.
and awesome.
Awesome. Wonderful.
Okay, now we are heading to Srikalahasti temple. Targeted to reach by 9:30.
A to B breakfast is super के ऊपर.
Super super. कैसा लगा हरी भाई breakfast?
Super.
Super.
Food is good.
Okay. How is the road, Bhaskar?
Nice. Excellent.
Excellent.
Yes.
Let's see that.
Good
How
for
to try.
ride.
Tar road.
Hi guys, with Almighty's grace, we came to Kalahasti today and we had a wonderful darshan. On the background now you are going to see the temple tower. That is the temple tower, the main entrance, and above the hill there comes the temple built by Sri Kannappa Nayanar, who sacrificed his eyes for showing the devotion towards towards Lord Shiva. So he is the one of the adiyars. So we had a wonderful darshan. Enjoy divinity, guys. Now you are seeing a hill. It's not a hill. It's a auspicious face of Lord Venkateshwara in the form of sleeping form. You can see the mouth, chin, nose, forehead. So we are in a divine land celebrating the Friday and Saturday. With
Govinda.
Hariharan.
In the name of Govinda. So we booked this room, this homestay, 1 2 BHK room over here. You can see this is near to that this highway only, and you can see this is the road. Just adjacent to this road is there. I will show you the room what we took, and the car is parked here. Let me show you the room. Price for the room, we paid 2,500 after a bargain. Initially they told 3,000. This is our room for today. It's a 2 BHK homestay. So this is the hall. It's a new property. This is one bedroom. Dining area, kitchen. Though this will not be used, we'll order something for dinner from outside. Same only. Both are having AC, and there is a balcony over here. So this is the balcony. You can see. main road over from here. So guys, you can see the beautiful faces now.
Hi.
We
Took bath after a long time.
took bath after a whole tired and very hectic day. Why hectic day? Let me tell you. We have not done the pre-book ticket darshan. So there is a free darshan available, but you need to be in the queue for more than 3 hours. So I'll explain in the later video how we did and how we managed to did that registration so that we can do the darshan tomorrow. That to be the time slot we have been assigned is 6 p.m. And we are now heading towards to have some dinner. And which place Haribhai will go for dinner?
We'll go to A2B, which is famous in with
Food is
in Tirupati, or we'll go to Spring Restaurant.
Okay, that is nearby only.
Yeah, it's nearby. Within
Okay,
5
now I think Manish sir has been assigned with the special seat.
Yeah,
Front seat.
my Guru Sami has been.
So Manish sir,
Friends,
We are going to have dinner.
after a hectic day, you took a bath. How you are feeling now?
I won't say it's a hectic day. I will say it's a very good day.
Great.
And at the end of the day, we are going to have a good food and followed with a Zam tea.
Oh my god. Okay guys, stay tuned. Bye.
तो अपन उतरेगा तभी बोलेगा.
Guys, day 2. This is our homestay, and all our friends are inside the car. Let me show you what's the update. Hey, hi Mani sir.
Hey guys!
Everyone say hi. Day 2.
Hi, good morning, good morning.
Okay, Mani sir, please tell us the update for today. What's the itinerary?
We had a pleasant stay and very good sleep last night. And now we are going for breakfast in the 5th gate. Hope it will be delicious. Always the food is good. And over to Mr. Bhaskar now.
So Bhaskar, tell us today's plan.
Once we complete with breakfast, we are planning to go to Padmavati temple. Then one more famous temple is there, that is Gudimallam temple, that is Shiva temple. So we'll complete the darshan, then we'll start moving to Tirumala.
Okay, thanks Bhaskar. So our ticket, registration what we have done, the timing is 6 p.m. So we are we will roam around here and there in Tirumala. A lot of things are there to see. Then we'll see that before 6 o'clock we'll try to enter the temple and we'll update you guys. Thank you.
Spicy.
No. थोड़ा दे तो चलेगा.
எனக்கு இதுண்ணா
Anna, plate.
இது வாங்கி கொடுங்க.
So we are trying this local food, local breakfast. What you are having? Upma, vada, pongal. How's the food, guys? Good, no? How's Upma, Hari bhai? Very good. See the crowd, guys. A lot of crowds are there. So just near to our that highway only. we took some left turn, then we found this one. We asked some local guy, so they told one local breakfast shop is there, which is very famous. So we are trying here. Okay. So now it is 2:47, and we are heading towards Tirumala. This distance is around 28 kilometer, and time it is taking 1 hour. So, guys, now we just now completed Padmavati Temple Darshanam, and believe me, Bhaskar and Hari will tell the experience of coming while coming back from Mandir till our car parking.
It's too hot. Be careful while coming here.
We came by barefoot and it was like anything.
Burning on tar road.
Now we all will go to our guest house. Guys, this is the security checkpoint. You need to take out all your bags, and there is a scanner. You need to do that. Bhaskar is driving the car. He is waiting at the queue. Once he'll come, we'll pay the toll here, and we'll move from this way. Bhaskar has came. Is coming. We are going to that side. इधर आओ, इधर हर में, इधर आ रहे आओ, अरे come. Let me open the gate and we'll put all our stuff here. We have crossed this toll and checking it. Now we are heading towards the Ghat road.
Here the speed limit is 20.
We'll go through the beautiful roads, ghats, turnings.
Hat clip bends, and Bhaskar is a good driver, and he has been driving in Tirupati.
Yes, he's been a very good, vast experience visiting Tirupati, Tirumala.
Yeah, he has been almost
And
visiting
so
for
we
past
had-
16 years continuously.
So we have given all the responsibility to Mr. Bhaskar. He will show us the path.
Yeah, and regarding the
apart from that, our Guruji is along with us.
yes, about traditional and cultural
So if we'll
explanation.
deviate from any other things, Guruji will there always there to show us the divine holy path.
Hey guys,
Guruji, say a few words to our viewers.
hey guys, don't do mistakes. Don't do the same mistake again and again.
That's all for the day. Govinda. Govinda. So guys, we have done Snanam at which Puskarani that is?
Tirumala, Koner.
Okay, Tirumala Puskarani, and we are going to visit first
Varaha Swami Darshan.
Varaha Swami Darshan. Then
It
we'll
is mandatory. Whoever is going to take Tirumala Darshan, first we need to take Varaha Swami Darshan, then only we should go for Venkateshwara Swami Darshan.
this is the getup. See the crowd, guys. Weather is so good today. So guys, we came to now have Anna Prasadam. You can see how beautifully they arranged all these things. It's already there actually. You just have to come and you just need to sit. Your plates like banana leaves will be there. All the foods will be served here. You can see the crowd, how well they are managed. There are particular some halls are also dedicated to senior citizen and specially able people. These are the common halls where you all can sit and have the prasadam peacefully.
Go to the top now, first floor. Nice photos.
Guys, Jai Bajrangbali. So now the time is around
It's 3:35.
3:35. We
Oh,
made
sorry, 4:35.
4:35 and we did our darshan at Sri Venkateswara Swami temple, and while returning back we are visiting also here Sri Anjanaya Prasanna Anjanaya Swami temple. You can see Lord Hanuman standing and we are here. So Mani sir, please summarize the trip. This is our end of the trip. So please convey our viewers that how was the trip and how we managed to did the darshan and all everything. Now next Guruji.
Hey guys, good morning. It was a fabulous trip, I would say. It was a sudden plan. We started on Friday morning, reached Kanipakam. We had a wonderful darshan of Lord Ganesha and Shiva, and then we started to take the ticket from the Tirupati Devasthanam. So we stood in line, we got the tickets. Fortunately, it's a pure blessing of parents' blessings and the Almighty's grace. We got the ticket, went to our stay home, had a wonderful dinner. Once again restarted on the next day morning with a breakfast, fabulous breakfast. And then we started to Tiruchanur and had a good darshan of Lordess Padmavati. And from there we headed up to our guest house once again to check out. And finally we started to Tirumala. Since my childhood I used to remember one saying from the elders, until unless the God gives permission you cannot even think of him. So we thought of him, we came here, we put some efforts, and we had a wonderful darshan of Lord Balaji, Lord Venkateshwara. And in my lifetime of 45 years, this is the first time I'm putting this churnam. So it's all the changes, all miracles are expected, and wish all of you come here, have a wonderful darshan with wholeheartedly, spend 2-3 days here and enjoy your devotional life.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you, sir, for your
Thank you,
beautiful
Guruji.
words.
Thanks for.
Govinda! Hey, hi guys.
Hey,
So
guys.
we came to the end of this trip and nearing Mani sir beautiful home here. We are in Goramavu, where we picked up Mani sir Thursday night. It is very heartfelt to say goodbye, but again we'll see you on Tuesday in our office.
If I come, I will definitely meet you. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you guys all.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all.